you have declared your consent and your vows before God and this congregation. May God confirm your covenant and fill you both with grace. Now that Jim and Lisa have given themselves to each other by the solemn vows and the joining of hands and the giving and the receiving of rings, I announce to you that they are husband and wife in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, those whom God has joined together. Let no one separate. Would you like to kiss your bride?